Welcome to Technia TV. I, Dr. Sachin Sabharwal, faculty MBA of Technia Institute of Advanced Studies, is going to present a lecture on economic growth and economic development. Economic growth is a narrower concept than the economic development. It is an increase in country's real level of national output, which can be caused by an increase in the quality of resources by education, etc., increase in the quantity of resources and improvements in technology, or in another way, an increase in the value of goods and services produced by every sector of the economy. Economic growth can be measured by an increase in country's GDP, or that is known as gross domestic product, or the total product produced in a country in a financial year. Then economic development. Economic development is a normative concept. It is a broader concept than the economic growth. That is, it applies the context of people's sense of morality, right or wrong, good and bad. The definition of economic development given by Michael Todaro is an increase in living standards, improvement in self-esteem, needs and freedom from oppression, as well as a greater choice. So, economic growth is a narrow concept than the economic development. Economic development includes economic growth as well as the changes in the structure in an economy. Now the difference between economic growth and economic development. Economic growth does not take into account the size of the informal economy. That is the part that have no account. Then the informal economy is also known as the black economy, which is unrecorded economic activity. Development alleviates people from low standards of living into proper employment with suitable shelter. Economic growth does not take into account the depletion of natural resources, which might lead to pollution, congestion, and disease. Development, however, is concerned with sustainability. That is, the resources should be available for other generations as well, future generations as well, which means meeting the needs of the present without compromising the future needs. These environmental effects are becoming more of a problem of government now that the pressure has increased on them due to global warming. So economic development is a wider concept that includes the growth with a sustainable change. That is, the resources should not be depleted while the current use. Then the other differences are economic development implies in income changes in the income, savings and investment, along with progressive change in the socio-economic structure of the country. For example, shifting of the people from one sector to another. It includes institutional and technological changes, whereas economic growth refers to an increase in the real output of goods and services in the country. Then the factors. Development relates to the growth of human capital indexes, a decrease in inequality figures, and structural changes that improve the general population quality of life. Then growth relates to a gradual increase of one of the components of GDP: consumption, government spending, investment, and exports. Then the measurement part. Economic development includes qualitative HDI or Human Development Index, Gender Related Index GDI, Human Poverty Index HPI, Infant Mortality Rate, Literacy Rate, etc. While the economic growth includes quantitative aspect, that is increase in real GDP, or the GDP changes at the constant rate. It can be shown by PPF. Then the concept part. Economic development is a normative concept, whereas economic growth is a narrower concept than economic development. Then the effect. Economic development brings qualitative and quantitative changes in the economy. Economic growth brings quantitative changes only in the economy. Then the relevance part. Economic development is more relevant in measure progress and quality of life in the developing nations, whereas economic growth is a more relevant metric for progress in developed countries, but it's a widely used in all countries because Growth is a necessary condition for development. Without growth, there will be no development. So, hope you have understood the topic economic growth and development and the difference between them. For watching more videos like this, subscribe Technia TV. Thank you.